as far as a wildfire in Rajouri, Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. Let's tell you, a massive blaze has engulfed a forest is what we're picking up at the moment. In fact, a large portion of the forest has been destroyed. Let's also tell you, as far as this big news is concerned, that firefighting operations have been launched after Uttarakhand. Remember what we've been looking at continuously, and even in Himachal, wildfires have now haunted Jammu and Kashmir. You're looking at the visuals on your screens right now. This is from Rajouri in Jammu and Kashmir. You can look at the entire blaze at the moment in the forest. And this is similar pictures that, of course, we've seen, concerning pictures, whether we're talking about Uttarakhand or Himachal in the past couple of weeks as well. So having said that, now we're looking at Rajouri in Jammu and Kashmir, where the massive blaze has engulfed this entire forest. In fact, you can look at the blaze in those visuals at the moment. And we are picking up that firefighting operations have been launched. Let's listen it.
आज के दिन 3 इंसिडेंट हुए हैं फॉरेस्ट फायर के, एक राती और सावनी, 2 राती और एक सावनी में। हमारे फॉरेस्ट प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स के लोग लगे हुए हैं, आग बुझा रहे हैं। हमारे साथ लोकल लोगों ने और औरतों ने बहुत कोऑपरेट किया है। कुछ लोग खाली वीडियो चला के कहते हैं कि डिपार्टमेंट फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट वाले आग नहीं बुझा रहे हैं, कोई नहीं आ रहा है, ये है, लेकिन उनको पता नहीं, ये बहुत बड़ा एरिया है, उसमें लोग हमारे जा रहे हैं। इसमें हर आदमी का फ़र्ज़ है कि वो जंगल की आग बुझाएगा। ये गवर्नमेंट की प्रॉपर्टी है, जल रही है। दूसरी मेरी रिक्वेस्ट ये है, मैं लोगों से फिर अपील करता हूँ, इन जंगलों को आग मत लगाएं। ये नेचुरल आग नहीं है, आग लगाई गई है। ये आग मत लगाएं, इसमें बहुत वाइल्ड लाइफ तबाह हो रही है, हमारे जंगल तबाह हो रहे हैं, गर्मी ज़्यादा हो रही है, पोल्यूशन हो रही है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत मुश्किल बन गई है। लोगों को सांस लेने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, आग यही आ रहेगा। गर्मी बहुत है, इसलिए मैं लोगों से फिर अपील करता हूँ कि हमारा कोऑपरेट करने, फॉरेस्ट प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट और लोग हमारे साथ आग बुझाएंगे। हम इकट्ठे होकर काम करेंगे, अपने जंगलों को बचाएंगे। हमारी गवर्नमेंट की प्रॉपर्टी है, हमारी प्रॉपर्टी है।
Pradeep, my colleague, joins me over the phone lines. Pradeep, good morning. Clearly, with this given situation, and we're looking at what's happening currently on the ground concerning. But as far as the firefighting operations are also concerned, what is the latest that we know?
See, right now the firefighting operation is continuing because it was early morning that Batoni, Savni and Dongri area, that the forest compartment in Rajouri border district, it caught fire. This is the second forest fire incident during the last 1 week in the Poonch and Rajouri district. And here in this particular case, the official feels that maybe somebody has burnt the grass, and because of which it has spread through the other forest belts. But normally due to the heat wave also, what happens that dry grass catches fire. And there seems to be no respite in the heat wave, and there is no rainfall, because of which also we have seen that our green gold worth millions of rupees that got destroyed in the last few days. In this particular case, we have seen that how locals immediately rushed to the spot along with the administration people and the forest department officials. They're all together trying to douse and extinguish fire so that it doesn't spread to other compartments. Meanwhile, the administration has already come out with the numbers of the range officers. In case they see fire incident in any of these areas, the forest areas, immediately they should inform the range officers so that the team can rush to the spot and they can extinguish fire at earliest. Right now, the firefighting operation is still continuing. As you can see in the visuals also, how locals along with the forest officials, they are trying their level best to immediately douse the fire so that they can prevent the forest flares from spreading to other forest compartments. Meanwhile, because of the forest fire, we have seen that every year that millions of green gold gets destroyed. And problem is that still there is a lack of equipment what the forest officials need to have with them to extinguish fire in such cases.
Absolutely. Thank you very much for helping us better understand the given situation on the ground, and more importantly, how that is panning out. But for the moment, let's leave it at that. Let's now tell you